Hi, this is Mark Lubers, WestBred Technical Product Manager for the Central Plains.
And I'm Andrew Blubaugh, Regional Commercial Manager for WestBred for the Central Plains.
In this video, Andrew and I will be highlighting the WestBred variety WB4595. We'll talk about the area of adaptation, key agronomic characteristics to help you place this on your farm, and we'll talk about some management considerations if you do choose to plant this variety. Before we do that, Andrew, do you want to talk about the WestBred numbering system and how it applies to WB4595?
Yeah, so back in 2015, WestBred went to a numerical naming system. So at the beginning of each variety, you'll see a WB, which stands for WestBred. Then that first number is going to be class of wheat. So in this case, that 4 is hard red winter wheat. That second number is going to be maturity on a scale of 1 to 9, 1 being early, 9 being late. So in this case, it's a medium maturity. And then that third number in 2019, we went to year released. And then that last number is randomly assigned. On WB4595, Mark, what would you say its best fit for our region is, and maybe some key attributes?
Yeah, so this variety performs best north of I-70. In that area, it's very versatile in that it can go under irrigation or in a dryland acre. So under irrigation, it's very high yielding. It's got excellent standability, which are two real key components. On that dryland acre, it's got excellent drought and heat tolerance. So I really like that as just being, a multi-acre, broad acre type variety. I like the seedling vigor on this variety. It's got excellent seedling vigor, so if you get in a late plant or a high residue situation, it'll really come out of the ground fast and just be aggressive in the fall. A couple other things that I like about it, it's very high tillering. So again, if you're in a late plant situation, it tillers in the fall and tillers in the spring as well. So it'll give you enough heads per square foot to really make up that yield. Some other things, I like the plant height, I like the maturity. So medium maturity, most varieties in that northern tier of counties are medium late, so this one being a little earlier will help you spread out your harvest window. The plant height on it I like just because it's going to get tall enough in a tough acre situation. You can get in and harvest it and leave a little bit of residue, but it's not going to get so tall on you that you just have a bunch of residue to contend with. I do like the disease package, so why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, so WB4595 in that year released with a couple other varieties, we really noticed that it had a great disease package as far as fungal and wheat streak mosaic. We've got intermediate tolerance to wheat streak mosaic. We've got above average tolerance to both leaf rust and stripe rust. So it makes it a great fit for those western environments. Is there any watchouts on 4595 that you look at?
Yeah, so there's really one watch out, and as we move east or after corn acre, for example, this variety is moderately susceptible to fusarium head blight. So I would recommend spraying this variety with a Persaro treatment at flowering. This variety is a certified seed-only variety, so it does have a single seed use agreement. And if you'd like more information about WB4595 or any other WestBred variety, please contact your local WestBred certified seed associate or dealer, or visit us on the web at www.westbred.com.